U.S. Navy's sixth-generation fighter jet explained, somewhere beyond the edge of classified airspace, a new war machine is taking shape. It's not flying yet, at least not where we can see it, but it's being built for a war that hasn't started, against enemies that haven't revealed themselves. Its mission? Total dominance in the sky, sea, and beyond. This is the fastest, the U.S. Navy's secret weapon for the next generation of air combat. It's not just a jet, it's a ghost, a commander, a weapon, and a warning. Armed with artificial intelligence, stealth that bends reality, and the power to command unmanned fleets, the fast fix isn't waiting for the future, it's rewriting it. A new era of naval air power. The F/A-18 Super Hornet has served the U.S. Navy well for decades, flying off carrier decks around the world as a frontline multi-role fighter. But as near-peer threats rise and technology evolves at lightning speed, the need for a next-generation replacement has become critical. That's where the FA-XX comes in. The FA-Fixed is the U.S. Navy's answer to future warfare in the skies. It's part of the Navy's broader Next-Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, aiming to create a sixth-generation fighter jet with cutting-edge capabilities never before seen in carrier-based aviation. While much of the FA-Fixed program remains classified, defense experts and leaks provide a picture of a stealthy, smart, and lethal machine that will redefine how the Navy fights from the sea. The FA-FAX isn't just a replacement for the Super Hornet, it's the start of a new era. Design and stealth features. At the core of the FA-FAX's mission is survivability in contested environments. That means stealth is a top priority. The aircraft is expected to feature a tailless blended wing design similar to the B-21 Raider or other stealth platforms, helping it evade radar more effectively than any current Navy jet. In addition to shaping, the FA-15 will likely use radar-absorbing materials and advanced heat signature reduction technologies. The aircraft is designed to fly deep into enemy airspace, collect data, strike targets, and get out unseen. This makes it not just a fighter, but a ghost in the sky. What's more, its stealth won't come at the cost of payload or speed. Engineers are aiming for a perfect balance of low observability, high endurance, and weapons versatility. In future battle spaces, crowded with sensors and anti-aircraft weapons, this kind of stealth will be the key to survival. Advanced propulsion and speed. Speed and maneuverability will also define the FXX. While traditional afterburners may still be part of the design, it's likely that the aircraft will use variable cycle engines, a technology that can shift between fuel efficiency and raw power based on mission needs. These engines are expected to provide not just higher top speeds, but also extended range and better fuel management for long-distance carrier operations. Combined with low-drag airframe design, the FA-XX will be capable of reaching enemy territory faster, striking sooner, and returning safely. In future wars, speed is more than a luxury, it's survival. The FA-XX will be built to outpace enemy fighters, outrun missile threats, and keep its pilots one step ahead in every aerial encounter. Multi-domain sensor fusion. In the wars of tomorrow, winning won't just come from firepower. It will come from who sees first, who reacts fastest, and who connects everything in real time. The FA-X is being designed to do exactly that. This fighter won't just fly through the skies, it will gather live intelligence from satellites above, drones nearby, ships in the ocean, and even troops on the ground, all at once. This is called multi-domain sensor fusion. It means the jet becomes the eyes and ears of the entire fleet. Powered by advanced AI, cloud-based warfare systems, and next-gen processors, the FA-X takes all that raw data and turns it into a clear, live picture for the pilot and commanders. In the heat of battle, this gives the Navy a massive advantage: faster targeting, better coordination, and fewer surprises. When every second counts, the FA-5X doesn't just keep up its leads. It sees across oceans, reacts across domains, and shares data in ways that make the entire Navy smarter and deadlier. In a battlefield full of noise, confusion, and chaos, this fighter brings clarity. And in the world of modern war, that clarity can change everything. Mandy teaming, Mumley team. Sound check. One of the most exciting aspects of the FAX is its role in leading unmanned systems. The aircraft is expected to command and coordinate autonomous drones in what's known as MUM, manned-unmanned teaming. This means the FAX won't have to take every risk itself. It can send drones ahead to scout, jam enemy radars, or even strike targets. All the while, the pilot remains protected and in control from a distance. This dramatically expands the reach and firepower of the carrier air wing. The FAX becomes more than a jet, it becomes a mission commander in the sky. Next generation weapons. The FA-5 will carry a mix of upgraded versions of today's weapons and entirely new ones. Expect advanced air-to-air missiles, long-range precision bombs, and possibly even directed energy weapons like lasers or microwave systems in the future. With increased internal weapons bays, the jet will maintain stealth even when fully armed. This allows it to strike without warning from standoff distances and against multiple target types, including air, ground, and naval threats. What makes this even more powerful is real-time targeting data from its drone wingman or other networked assets. The FASX will be able to strike smarter, faster, and with deadly accuracy. Articulations and pilot support. The sixth generation of fighters isn't just about hardware, it's about the brain inside the machine. The FAXX will include AI co-pilots that help manage complex systems, identify threats, and even suggest tactical decisions during battle. This doesn't mean the jet flies itself, but it acts like a highly skilled assistant to reduce pilot workload. In a high-speed, high-pressure environment, having AI to monitor threats, suggest maneuvers, or reroute mission paths could be the difference between mission success and failure. The result is a fighter jet that adapts in real time, reacts instantly, and gives human pilots an edge against machine-fast threats. Carrier compatibility and deployment. Of course, no matter how advanced a jet is, it has to work with the Navy's aircraft carriers. The FA-FIX is being built with carrier operations in mind, including rugged landing gear, folding wings, and electromagnetic catapult compatibility. The Navy is also updating its carriers to support the next generation of air operations. This includes expanded drone bays, AI-driven logistics, and faster launch recovery cycles to match the capabilities of the FAX. Together, the FAX and future carrier systems will transform the Navy's air wing into a flexible, deadly, and globally responsive force for decades to come. Strategic impact. The FA-FIT isn't just a new aircraft, it's a message to the world. A message that the United States is preparing for the battles of the 2030s, 2040s, and beyond. While adversaries invest in anti-ship missiles, hypersonic threats, and drone swarms, the U.S. is developing an aircraft to counter them all. This project ensures the U.S. Navy will maintain air superiority over contested oceans and high-risk airspace, no matter how advanced the enemy becomes. It also signals to allies and rivals alike that America is not stepping back, it's stepping forward with vision and force. The FA-56 is more than a fighter. It's the future of naval warfare, and it's already taking shape. Conclusion. The FA represents a bold leap into the next era of air combat. With stealth, speed, unmanned teaming, and AI-powered warfare systems, it stands as the centerpiece of the Navy's future power projection. More than just a replacement, the FA-FIX is designed to win wars that haven't happened yet, against enemies that may not even exist yet. It is proof that the U.S. Navy is not only adapting to modern threats, but preparing to dominate them. So here's a question for you. In a world where drones, hypersonics, and cyber attacks define the battlefield, will a manned fighter still matter? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown powerful, like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge military aviation content.